Well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope that everybody is doing well. I'm doing pretty good. I was just getting ready to. I see that my vinegar solution is running a little low, so I said, well, let me go ahead and do a little video on this because this is just something that I use around the house or in the kitchen mostly, just to clean off my counters, clean my, the stove, the microwave, keep wipe down cabinets and things of that nature, just to keep everything clean and sanitized. I don't really use a lot, although I do have a few products. I don't normally use more commercial products, and it depends on what I'm using it for. And then, like before, like sometimes, like when we wash our dishes, sometimes we just like rinse them and put them in the sink. But we will always like just spray them down a little bit with some vinegar, just so it can just like call it a soaking for a little bit until and then wash them after that. So basically, and I did videos like that and probably on anyway. Nonetheless, I'm not going to talk about the old videos, but nonetheless, so what I would do is, and I'm not going to measure this right now because I'm one-handed. I should measure it, but I'm just one-handed and whatnot, and I didn't anticipate doing this right now. But and you can use various oils. I like to add citrus, like a lemon. What do you call it? Lemon. Oh, I can't think of the name of it. It's not even lemon, is it? I can't think of it, but nonetheless, a lemon oil as well as an orange or grapefruit. Oh, those are so pleasant to have. Just to smell that. They smell so good. Cleaning off your tables and stuff like that, wiping down containers and whatever. It is really good. And again, this is a good way to sanitize. It cleans and it sanitizes and it removes bacteria and things of that nature from various places. You can add soap to it. I'll show you because I also have another one that I use in the bathroom, and I use pepper. Like I use different oils, but like peppermint oil, and maybe lavender or eucalyptus or tea tree or something like that is another one that I'll use for the bathroom for bathroom cleaning. Now with that one, I will add some soap and maybe like a Sow Suds or dish soap or something like that. And I'm telling you, that vinegar and that little soap, because you only need a little in a container with that is essential oil, is amazing. Because remember, the essential oil also has properties in it that are, beneficial properties that are cleaning, that are giving you an antiseptic component, and then it's smelling good. Oh God, it's awesome. And I'm telling you, like sometimes I'm so amazed because I spray that on, and I mean it just like disintegrates the dirt, like boom. And it's a natural more of a natural solution. There's no toxicity in it, and things that are more safe around you and your family. And it's just really, really awesome. You don't have to run out to the store and get it. You already have. How many of us don't have a couple of gallons of this? I always keep a couple of gallons of this because one is under the kitchen sink and one is in the laundry room. You know what I mean? So we always have it around. So nonetheless, I'm going to take this out and just try to freehand this. And I'm just going to add, let's see, I'm going to add maybe 2 cups. And I don't add a lot. I don't always like fill this up because I might not want to use these 2 cents. So I'll use, just enough. Just like with my mouth rinse that I'll use, and I'll show you the recipe for that one too. It's my mouth brush, my toothbrushing solution that I use. I don't make a big bottle of that. I keep it to a limited amount for a couple of reasons. One, I don't want it can lose its effectiveness if I just use you make a big container of it or a big solution of it. You lose its effectiveness, number one, and two, I might want to change out the oils or whatever. So let me quickly put this in here. So I think I'm going to use, that's probably like a cup. So I'm just going to do 2 cups. Let's see, 2 liquid cups. because you add water. Normally, and I would add a distilled water or filtered water. This doesn't look like 2 cups yet, Saida. And then I'll add another cup of water, you know, a water, or half a cup or a cup of water. And then essential oils, you don't need that many, maybe, you know, 2 to 3 to 5 drops each or per scent. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. That was kind of like 8. This doesn't have a dropper in it right now. Then you could also add a tea tree with it for the antibacterial, or the or antiviral-ish component to it. But I'm just going to add a couple of drops of this because I don't have. This is not a. It doesn't have a dropper in it. Don't waste that. So that's too much right there. Because I like it to be balanced. There's a certain way I like it to smell and whatever. So then I'll add my water. Then I'll shake it up and I'm ready to go. You know what I mean? So that is just one of the ways that I help keep our home clean, keep it smelling good and things of that nature. Because always, you know, when your house is clean and smelling good, you're feeling good about it. And, you know, it boosts your morale and the morale of the home as well. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to thumbs up and let me know. See my little Pothos over here. She's doing pretty good. I just put her over here recently. Yep. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye-bye for now. I hope you can hear me. I want to pop in for a minute because the reason why I add water is, of course, to dilute the acidity of the vinegar. Because I know some of us, we have granite or slate or various materials or surfaces in our home that might not be so safe. Vinegar might not be safe to use on it. So that's another reason why I use the vinegar, some water in it, and I use like I said, a filtered water or a boiled water, or water that has been treated, because some waters have bacteria in them, or you just want this to be stable. I go through mine fairly quickly, but irregardless, and I know that's not a word, but nonetheless, I still want it to be safe. As I'm, want the water to stay safe and don't get moldy or stale or smelly or anything like that. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Don't forget, thumbs up this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. Do what you gotta do to do what you gotta do for me. All right. Love you. Bye-bye for now.